Drink this every night before bed and remove every food residue and also melt fat for 8 hours. This amazing and super healthy drink will remove everything you've eaten during the day. You'll be amazed when we tell you that this powerful drink will boost your metabolism, cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, and it will help you lose weight as well, especially the fat around your belly area. The stubborn fat around your abdominal area is related with several health conditions, such as diabetes, high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Few studies have confirmed the link between belly fat and diabetes type 2. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, you need to start exercising and eat healthy food. Here is the recipe for the incredible homemade natural drink, which contains 3 extremely effective fat-burning ingredients: lemon, ginger, and parsley. Ingredients: 1 lemon, handful of parsley, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a liter of water. Directions: it's very simple. Put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and blend well. You should drink this juice every night before you go to sleep and wake up every morning with less weight. Oil a banana, drink the water before bed and see what happens to your sleep. At the beginning you must know that this recipe is better than any sleeping pill, and for its preparation you will only need 2 ingredients. There are times when you just cannot fall asleep at night. Those nights are just horrible. You cannot fall asleep and you have to get up early in the morning. Due to all the stressors in our modern environment, many times it is difficult to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling rested. The main reasons why you cannot fall asleep are the stress and the electromagnetic frequencies from cell phones, computers, and other electronics. Additionally, bright lights and many other factors can affect your nervous system and your sleep hormones, which in most of the cases influence the quality of your sleep. At this point you also need to know that there are many other factors, external and internal, that can influence your brain, hormones and nervous system. These factors usually can offset your sleep or deprive you of quality sleep. Usually when you cannot fall asleep, the easiest thing you can do is take a sleeping pill. However, this is not the best solution to your problem. This awful habit may work nicely on short term, however on the long term, you should know that you are hindering your body's health and natural abilities. What we are trying to say is that sleeping pills have many side effects. In most of the cases, these side effects are dizziness, constipation, stomach pain, difficulty focusing, memory problems, and harm to the central nervous system. We all know that one of the most important things for maintaining a healthy body is getting enough sleep. Also, you need to know that when you are lacking sleep, your body cannot function as it should. Namely, when you are lacking sleep, your cognitive thinking skills are impaired, your motor skills decline, your energy drops, and you are even more prone to diseases and health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and cancer. In order for your body to function as it should, you need to get a full night's sleep. You need 8 hours of sleep every night and you will feel much better, function better, and you will be able to prevent many diseases. As we already said, everyone wants a good sleep. But sometimes, you simply cannot fall asleep. So what should you do in those cases? No, you must not take any sleeping pills. Instead, what you need to do is take this banana cinnamon tea, and believe us, it works like magic. As you probably already know, bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium. But did you know that the banana peel has, even more, potassium and magnesium than the banana itself? That is why you must not throw away the banana peel. In this article we will show you the recipe for this magnificent tea, which will help you get all the benefits of the potassium and magnesium from the banana peel. At this point you need to know that the magnesium and the potassium are extremely beneficial for the nervous system, and are also great for relaxing the muscles. Furthermore, the magnesium is the most important mineral for muscle relaxation, and it can even reduce muscle cramps along with other aches and pains. This means that next time you feel stressed, all you need to do is get some magnesium. Namely, the magnesium will help you ease the stress, therefore it will help you relax and fall asleep easier. On the other hand, cinnamon is excellent in balancing your blood sugar levels. Now you should know that when blood sugar levels are balanced, your hormones can function in a way that allows you to sleep better. This means that if your blood sugar levels are off, you may have energy at night, or be tired during the day.